Good. Good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Some more students are left. Okay. So basically, I just wanted to say one thing, dear. This is a batch class. So in the batch class, we are doing refraction. So reflection part, remaining reflection part, I will take the backup classes for that. Okay. So, but right now, the thing that I'm going to start is absolutely new. Okay. The basics that you have done in the reflection is applicable in this topic. Okay. So there is no need to worry about this thing. Okay. I will take your backup classes as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. That's great. What happened, Alvinamche?
Oh, hello, sir.
What happened? I
I
think
left
you're, I think you have
due
internet
to
issue.
network issues. Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं. So let's start the class. Okay. Okay. So okay, let me tell you one thing. So like two students are there that new. Okay. I think Aisha, you are also new to this batch, bache, or Aisha?
I'm not new.
Acha, sorry. Actually, one more Aisha is there. Acha, another Aisha is in 6:30 batch timing. That's why I got confused. Sorry for that, dear. Okay. So yeah. So basically, refraction is currently going on in the batch. Okay. So refraction is basically it's a phenomena that is observed due to the ray nature of light. Okay. So basically refraction is the bending of light when a light ray goes from one medium to another medium. Okay, Aisha, Nuha, and Abdul Kavi. Basically, everybody, yes or no? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Ah, like these three students are new, so that's why I'm taking a little bit revisit of this topic. Okay. Okay, so basically, so refraction occurs due to the change in speed of light when going from one medium to another medium. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. So in this topic, we are going to start in this class. We are going to start laws of refraction. So laws of refraction are very similar to the laws of reflection. In laws of reflection, we have done two laws. In the refraction part as well, we have two laws. Okay. One law is absolutely same for both the part. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. Okay. So let's okay. So first law of refraction says that the incident ray refracted ray. Refracted means bended ray. And normal to the point of incidence to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Tell me, this is very similar to the reflection law. Only one thing is changed here. Refracted ray is introduced instead of reflected ray. Okay, yes or no, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Sure, that's good. So here, let me draw with the diagram like this. So this is, suppose this is an incident ray. Okay, this is a surface, and I'm assuming that this one is rarer medium. So, because rare medium are those mediums in which light travels faster. Okay, and denser medium are those medium in which light travels slower. Okay, so when the light ray goes from rarer to denser, light ray bend towards normal. Okay, yes or no, everybody? Please tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's very good. Okay, so Bacho, you can see this thing, all of you, that x and y axis are there. We are talking about plane. So in plane, we only talk about two coordinates. So two coordinates, it can be any two coordinates, x, y, y, z, or x, z. Okay, so we have three coordinates. Out of those three coordinates, we can take any two coordinates. Okay. Yes or no, everybody, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can see this thing that these two rays are only traveling in x and y axis. There isn't any coordinate axis. Yes or no? Only two axes are there. Please tell me if it's clear or not.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. Okay. Yeah. So second, let's understand the second law. So basically, second law says that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence. So sine basically is the sine theta, sine angle of the incidence. So in the 10th class, there is a chapter called trigonometry. You will learn these things in the trigonometry, which okay. So these are the ratios, or you can say functions, that you will learn in the 10th mathematics chapter called trigonometry. Angle of the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction fraction is constant for a given pair of media. Okay, so this is, you can say, so ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is constant. Okay, so this is called sine I by sine R is equals to constant. So this constant name is called, can anybody tell me the name of this constant? Anybody have any idea? This is called refractive index. Okay, so this is called refractive index, and this law is called Snell's law. This law is called Snell's law. Clear, everybody? Any doubt so far? Please tell me, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
So this law is called the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the ratio sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media. This law is called Snell's law. Okay? Clear,
Sir, can
everyone?
you show rule number 1?
Huh, sure. Albina, Arya, Aisha, Kavi, Mariam, Nuha. Is this clear, Bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, then.
Okay. This is the same. Okay. have you written it down, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let me tell you one. So basically, the value of this refractive index is constant. Okay. So let me write it down as the value of the constant sin I by sin R for a ray light passing from air into particular medium is called refractive index. Clear, everyone? Please tell me. So this is denoted by like this. So two denotations are used for the refractive index. First is N, or there is a Greek letter called mu, M-U, mu. So this word is also used for the denotion of the refractive index. Okay, is equals to sin I by sin R. Clear, everyone? Please tell me.
Yes.
Any doubt so far to anybody, bacho? Please tell me at least. Yes or
No,
no?
sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sure. That's good. Acha, tell me one thing, bacho, all of you. It's an open question. So you can see this thing that this is a quantity. Obviously, this is telling you something. So is there any unit for this quantity, or is it a unitless? Please answer me in the chat.
So can you
Sir,
repeat
can
your
you please
question?
repeat?
I'm speaking again. I am saying that this is a quantity. Refractive index is a quantity. Okay, so is there any unit for the refractive index, or is it a unitless quantity? Okay, I got the answer. Arya said, okay, ठीक है आर्या. Alvina, Nuha, okay, ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है, अलवीना. आप बताओ, मरियम, ठीक है, मरियम. अभी आप बताओ बच्चे. आयशा, ओके, आयशा, वेरी गुड. ठीक है. अभी यू आर लेफ्ट ओनली. प्लीज आंसर. कवि, अब्दुल कवि, आर यू देयर बच्चे?
Yes.
Yes, answer me in the chat, dear. I have asked something.
Yeah.
Yeah, please answer. Don't worry. Like it can be right and wrong. Don't worry about the wrong and right decision. Just answer at least. Yes, Kavi. Any answer? Unit or unitless quantity? Okay, very good. Okay. So when the two quantities, similar quantities, when you take the ratio of two similar quantities, so those quantities are unitless. Okay, because centimeter by centimeter, same quantities, one. Is there any unit for one? Yes or no, bolo? Okay. So whenever you do, and you can see this thing, that degree, okay, sine of I and sine of R, you have used. So both are similar quantities. So that's why there will not be any unit. Clear? So the refractive index of a medium gives indication of the light. Sorry. I was just writing this thing. Is a ratio of two quantities. So it has no unit. Clear, everyone? Is this clear? Nuha, Albina, Arya, Kavi, Aisha, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Acha. So one more thing. So basically the idea or the significance of the refractive index is that it gives you the idea about the light bending ability of that medium. Okay. It gives you idea whether this is a high, like whether this medium will bend the lights more or less. Okay. It gives you that idea. Okay. Medium indication of the bending ability of that medium. Clear, everyone? Any doubt to anybody? Please tell me. Does anybody have any doubt? Alvina, Arya,
No,
Mariam,
sir.
No,
Nuha.
sir.
Sure?
No, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Check.
Yes, sir.
Check. Check. Sure. Okay. So let me, okay. So basically refractive index can be represented in the terms of speed of light. Okay, because as you can see the thing that refractive, basically the major cause for the bending of light is due to the change in the speeds of light, right? So that's why we can say present this refractive index in terms of speed of light as well. Okay, so first understand this thing, just a second. Okay. Okay, so refractive index can be written in index written as a ratio of speeds of light in the two media. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure, it's good. Okay, so now let's understand how we can represent in terms of speed of light. Okay, so basically we have to find like the refractive index is calculated with respect to another medium. Okay, because we like in refraction two mediums are involved. Suppose this is rare and this is denser. Yes or no, everyone? So two mediums are involved, so that's why we take reference. So for the reference part we are writing, I'm writing something, please note it down, Bacho. So the refractive, this is the statement for the ratio, so that you can understand this thing. So short form में लिख देता हूँ with respect to medium one, because I'm taking the reference of medium one, so that's why I'm saying medium one with respect to medium one. Clear? Is equal to the ratio speed of light in medium one to the light in medium two. Okay, so I'm writing here. So if I'm saying that the refractive index for the medium two with respect to one, so whatever I'm taking as the reference will be written as superscript, and the next the calculated the refractive index of that medium which I'm calculating will be written in subscript, will be equals to V1, speed of light in medium one, divided by V2. Clear, everyone? Please tell me, bacho. Does anybody have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did not understand. Can you please explain once again?
Yes, is it Aisha or Alvina?
Yes, sir. No, sir, Aisha.
Aisha, I'm saying that if I'm, देखो, refraction involves two medium. It can be any two medium. So I'm saying that if I'm calculating the medium to refractive index with respect to 1, it means that I'm taking the reference of medium 1, yes or no? With respect to what means I'm taking the medium 1 as reference.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that is the ratio is this thing is nothing but it is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 and speed of light in medium 2. Okay, so the reference that I'm taking is to be written in the superscript, and the refractive index of that medium which I'm calculating should be written in subscript. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anybody? Aisha, Alvina, Nuha, Kavi, Mariam, and Arya?
No,
Sure?
no, sir. No, sir.
Sure, bacho, everyone? Clear?
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
now if we invert this thing, I want to calculate the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. What should I do? Any idea? So it will get changed, only it will be inverse. Now,
Then V2 by V1.
V2 by V1. Yes, very good. Who gave me the answer?
Aisha.
Aisha. Very good, bache, very good. Okay. So basically, bacho, you can see this thing. They are nothing but they are inverse of each other. 1 by 1:2. Just a moment. Okay. So they are nothing but they are inverse of each other. Clear, everyone? Please tell me,
Yes.
bacho, is this clear or not? So this is a very important formula, bacho. Please mark this as important. This is a very important formula because in some of the numericals, you just have to take care. Any doubt so far to anybody? Please tell me.
No.
Chalo, theek hai. Okay. So let me tell you one more thing, bacho. So basically, we have two types of refractive indexes. So two types of refractive index means first refractive index is absolute refractive index. So in absolute refractive index, bacho, air is one of the medium like that is present in the calculations. Okay. But in relative refractive index, two mediums are present, but air is not present. It means that air is not taken as the medium. Apart from air, the remaining mediums that are present in this universe will be taken as for the relative refractive index calculation. Yes or no, which is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm writing the definition, don't worry. So first type of refractive index is absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. So the first, so basically let me write down the definition. When the light going from vacuum. So in vacuum, you can assume this is vacuum means air. Okay. Vacuum to another medium. Then the value of refractive index is called absolute refractive index. So when the air is taken as, you can say the reference, that refractive index is called absolute refractive index. When in the basically like when the refractive index is mentioned in the questions, that refractive index of glass is this, refractive index of glass of refractive index of water, kerosene, some like that. So it means that they are with respect to air. Okay, those are absolute refractive index. Clear, everyone? Please tell
Yes,
me if
sir.
this is clear to you or not, Bajo. Any doubts so far? Okay, so the formula is basically N is equals to, this is normal. You can say C by V. Refractive index, because I'm taking air as reference, yes or no, everyone? So air speed will be taken in the numerator and that medium speed will be taken in the denominator. Okay. So next thing is relative refractive index. When the light ray going from one medium to another medium, other than vacuum, or air to another medium, another medium, then the value of diffractive is called relative refractive index. Okay. Clear, everyone? Please tell me, bacho. Any doubt so far to anybody? Aisha, Nuha, Arya, Mariam, Alvina, Kavi.
No, sir.
Sure?
No,
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sure. That's good. That's good. Okay. So the formula you can write this as N and R. I'm saying refractive index V1 by V2. Okay. If you are like, it depends on the question to question. Sometimes V2 by V1 we can take. It depends on the, you can say, medium with respect to that medium. Okay. We will discuss this in numericals as well. Don't worry. Okay. Yes or no, everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Any doubt so far to anybody? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Sure.
No,
That's very
sir.
good. Have you written it down, bacho? Is anybody left so? Have everybody? Please note it down and let me know. Once you are done, please let me know. We will discuss a numerical then. Everyone written down the portion? Anyone is left so far? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, so everyone has written it down. ठीक है, चलो. So let's discuss a numerical first. ठीक है. So question is saying, the question is saying like light enters from air into a glass plate. Okay. So from air, so what kind of refractive index we are calculating right here? Can anybody tell me? Relative or absolute? Hello? Aisha, Mariam, Alvina, Nuha, Kavi, Arya, please
Ashra,
tell
can you
me.
repeat?
I'm saying that which refractive index we are calculating if air is involved.
Absolute refractive index.
Okay. जल्दी से सब आंसर करो. Only one or two students have given the answer. What about rest of you, बच्चों? Absolute or relative?
Yes, sir. Absolute.
ठीक है, absolute. ठीक है. What about rest of? Absolute. ठीक है.
Absolute.
Okay, ठीक है. Kavi?
Absolute.
Yes, absolute. Because air is involved. So we will be, so right now we are so the question numerical is based on the absolute refractive index. Okay. So refractive index is given to you. It is with respect to absolute or relative. Once again, tell me. So bacho, when air is involved, now, so question is saying that light enters from air into a glass plate having refractive index of 1.5. So basically it's saying that refractive index is absolute because light is coming from air to glass. Okay. So we have to calculate the value of velocity, speed of light in that medium, in the glass basically. So can anybody tell me the formula again? N is equals to C by V, yes or no? I need the refractive index. I need the speed of light in that medium in glass basically. So V will be equals to C by N. Yes or no? Bolo? Yes or no? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
3 into 10 to the power 8 by 1.5. So this will cancel this twice. So this value is coming out to be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And this is your answer. Please tell me everybody, is this is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Check, yeah. Check. Okay, so let me take one more numerical. Just a moment. Okay, I'm giving you one numerical. You have to answer me. Just a moment, bachcho. Just solve this one and let me know the answer in the chat. So once again, tell me, is this in the absolute or relative? The question that I've pasted, is this absolute or relative?
Sir, it's absolute.
Okay. It's Alvina, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, Bachi. Very good. What about rest of you? Absolute by Aisha, right? Very good. Nuha, Aisha,
Absolute.
ठीक है. Absolute, very good. Kavi, Arya,
Absolute.
absolute. So that's good. Mariam,
Yes, sir.
are you there, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What kind of relative index is this? Refractive index? Relative or absolute?
Sir, relative.
Chalo, that's good. Answer me in the chat, bacho. Why Nuha is there? Isha, Arya has left the class. चलो कोई नहीं, maybe network issue होगा कुछ. No answer by anybody? Okay. Okay, Mariam. Okay, Aisha. Please answer with the units, because this question is asking about the speed of light. So speed of light is not unitless. Bacho. So yeah, so you have to answer me in the units. Aisha, Mariam, your units. Acha, Mariam unit is not correct, bache. ठीक है Aisha, now it's clear. Yes, Nuha. ठीक है, very good. Mariam, think about your unit first, bache. Okay, Mariam. Yes, it's now clear. Arya, are you there? नहीं, Arya नहीं है. Albina. Any answer from you, Albina bache? ठीक है, Albina. Okay. Okay, so Kavi, any answer from you, Kavi? So 1 more minute, Kavi, please answer me, bache.
Can you explain again?
हाँ अच्छा चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Let's solve it together. If you're not able to solve, कोई बात नहीं. So question is saying that speed of light in a medium of refractive index 6/5. So refractive index is given to you, bache. That is 6/5. If it's speed in air, so it means that light is coming from air to the another medium, right? So the speed of air is 3 lakh kilometer per second. We need the speed. Okay. So again, applying the formula. So N is equals to C by V. Okay. So I need V. So C by N will be the modification. So 3 lakh divided by 6/5. So this is a double division. So this 5 will go in the numerator. Yes or no, everyone? Into kilometer per second. Because kilometer per second is the value that is given in the question. Kilometer per second. So this will cancel this 5 times. And 5 into 5 is 25. So N will be equals to 25 kilometer per second is your answer. Is this clear to all of you? Nuha, Aisha, Mariam, Arya, Alvina?